Plum Gas Solutions started as just a manufacturer of pressure regulation skids, and what we've done is grown the fleet of the products that are offered. Moving forward, the company's going to be focused a lot on fuel gas conditioning. We can provide a full turnkey service to our customers.
New equipment really is the backbone of Plum. Innovation is key, so for us to be able to showcase a brand new piece of technology really sets us apart and really is our opportunity to showcase what we can do to a very competitive market.
Our commitment to the quality of our product is far beyond anybody else.
The feedback that the customers give us and why they want to do business with us is because we rank service quality #1. Lots of pre-planning, so once we get to location, the jobs are done accurately, precisely, and on time.
One of the biggest reasons why Plum is such a wonderful organization is because of the family-like environment that we have. We support each other. We can't be this creative, innovative organization without that.
The people here at Plum are the most innovative folks in the natural gas space. They have a solution for all customers.
We really take our customers' input and apply it into new innovations. We listen to what the customers' needs are, and it's not just a one-size-fits-all.
What sets Plum apart?
The product.
Turnkey solutions
Reliability.
and people.
Why choose Plum? We'll be your trusted partner from start to finish.